morning, Scots. Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Ashira.
Hello, students and teachers. I'm Hannah, and we have some announcements for today.
Next Wednesday, the video production program is bringing something new to Highland this school year.
The event is called Halloween Horror Night, a horror-themed film festival happening next Wednesday in the WA. Come by and watch your friends on the big screen.
Make sure to stop by our table at lunch today and get your tickets because prices will double at the door.
Remember, this event will happen after school at 4:15 in the WA next Wednesday.
Also, Link Crew Halloween Movie Night is happening next Thursday, October 26th, in the Quad area. All freshmen are free.
Sophomores, juniors, and seniors get in for $1.
Freshmen also get free popcorn and much more.
There will be a costume contest as well with a prize.
Remember, Scots, 2 big events happening next week at school, Wednesday and Thursday.
Now it's time for a commercial break.
Welcome back, Scots. Today we're here at the Highland Library, and I'm Agent Jimenez, and we're going to show you a little bit of inside. All right, let's go. All right, Scots, this is our fiction wall right here, and it runs all the way across from this side, all the way to that wall over there. And right here we have the nonfiction, or these shelves right here, from 0 to 999, and it's a whole system, but the librarian can tell us more about it. Welcome, Scots. This is our new librarian, Ms. Carlin. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name's Miss Carlin.
What are some basic rules going on in the library?
Mostly we ask that you are respectful. So be respectful to the library, the books, and to other students. So things we don't want to see are pulling books off the shelves. That makes a lot more work for Aiden here. And don't stand around and take up room in the library. We do want you to come in and use our genre stickers to help find a book that you may like. We do want you to check out books and enjoy some reading. And don't forget that we have computers that are open, and we're here before school, during lunch, and after school.
All right, thank you, Ms. Carlin.
Welcome back, everyone.
Now we will be going with our sports team.
What's going on, Scots? It's time for sports. I'm your host, Julian Medina.
And I'm Peter Parr. We have a special interview for you guys with one of our coaches at Highland.
Take it away, Sarah.
I'm Sarah, and today we have a special guest about volleyball. What is your name and job title here at Highland?
My name is Anissa Serna, and my job title is PE teacher / coach.
How many years have you been coaching volleyball?
I'd say this is about my 10th year.
What's the best part of coaching at Highland?
The best part about coaching at Highland is that I was an alumni here, and I loved Highland when I came here. It's like the best years of my life, to be honest with you, besides having a child. It's been really special to come back.
Did you play volleyball in your younger days?
I actually started to play volleyball only in middle school because I wanted to be a cheerleader.
So, were you a starter or a bench warmer?
Well, in high school, I was a starter, but once I got to college, obviously it's a different ball game, so I was a bench warmer in college.
Why should students play volleyball here at Highland?
I think they should play volleyball because we try to instill a lot of high standards, how to be a human being, a good human being, and how to have really high standards for yourself physically and emotionally and mentally.
Softball season is around the corner. If you are interested in signing up for the spring season, stop by 7K and scan the QR code on the door to receive all the information.
Sports Sense clearance will be needed for any preconditioning participants that will start in November.
Highland is going against BCHS tonight.
Remember to wear pink if you are planning on going, and go get your tickets now on GoFan.
The varsity girls tennis went to the SYC Valley League Championship tournament this week. Kayla Johnson and Riley Aguilar got second place in league for doubles.
Lily Ipajan and Angel Campicho placed 6th in league for doubles.
Congratulations to these ladies. Next Tuesday they will be going to CIF Central Section playoffs.
That's it for sports.
Let's go back to the studio.
Thanks for that information.
It's time for
Savannah on the Go.
Hi, my name is Savannah, and this is Savannah on the Go. I believe this is episode 6 of Savannah on the Go, and we're going to be asking the Highland population about if they have any secret talents. Let's go. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Hi, I'm Amy Alias. I'm our chapter FFA president.
And do you have any secret talents?
I can memorize credit card numbers easily.
Hi, who am I speaking with?
Hi, I'm Brianna Lopez, and I am your senior representative.
Nice to meet you. And do you have any secret talents?
I could do a backbend kickover.
Can you do that right now?
I can, but not right now.
Sign up for lip sync battle. Zoom in on that.
November 8th.
November 8th. Here, let's get the QR code so we can they can scan it. I speaking with?
Mason Valdez.
Nice to meet you. Do you have a secret talent?
I'm actually a conductor.
What else?
I play instruments.
That's cool. Give us a demonstration.
Of conducting?
Either one.
This be 160. That's pretty much it.
Hi, thank you for watching this episode of Savannah on the Go. I try not to run into things because running into things is really bad. I will see you all next week, and thank you for watching. Peace out.
The video production program is selling t-shirts starting today at the finance office for $20.
Check out the design for the t-shirt.
Remember, if you would like to purchase one, go by the finance office before school, during lunch, or after school.
$20 for a t-shirt.
Remember to follow our Instagram page at HHS_VideoPro to see behind the scenes videos, projects, and updates around Highland.
That's it for today.
And always remember to plaid up.